Now the other is if you want to use some components or some texts or some components, some elements reusable inside another pages, we use layout tsx. At this point we have created the layout on the root of our app folder, so this layout is shared across all applications. So if I create a div element inside this div and let's create this is shared component, let's say component, and save this. Now this div element will be shared all across the elements inside the profile and inside the ID. Let's see that. You can see it is shared across the home page, and if I go to the profile page, let's go to profile page, you can see I can render the shared element. If I go to also the ID page, let's say this, you can see also it is shared across all elements. So you can also use inside the profile. Now inside the profile, if I create another layout page, let's create this and let's say layout.tsx. Now let's create export default function. Let's say this layout and return. Make sure to include the children. Let's see this layout first. You can see it has a children, and let's copy this first. Let's copy this, Control C, and let's come here and let's paste this, and inside return let's come here again. You can see there is a children inside this. We can render a children. Let's create this and let's give children, and inside the children let's Control Z. Inside the children let's give a div. This is profile shared, and let's save this. Now this profile shared will be shared across the ID and the profile. Let's see that it will not be shared here. If I go to profile, you can see this is profile shared. If I go to the ID page, you can see it is profile shared. So we have created this inside the profile page. It will not it will share across the ID or the children of the profile, and it will not be shared outside of the profile. So the layout is used to create some elements which is shared across its children element and its element. So they are useful for creating reusable shared elements across the children element. So this is how you use the layout in Next.js. So let's go to the next section.